Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the indoor unit is powered and its display is active. Remote signals need a live receiver to work. Replace the batteries now and note polarity, because weak cells cause intermittent commands. Once done, stand 3 to 7 meters away and aim directly at the sensor. Obstacles reduce signal reliability. If your remote has a power lock, make sure it is off. This initial check saves time and prevents chasing phantom faults later. You now choose the operating mode. Press mode until the desired icon appears, because each mode changes compressor behavior. Next, use the temperature buttons to set a realistic target. Lower too much and the system short cycles, higher wastes comfort. Then adjust fan speed and swing to balance quietness versus quicker cooling. Make small changes and wait a minute to see response. The unit needs a few cycles to stabilize temperature and airflow, so observe before changing settings again. You finish by setting timers or sleep mode to save energy and maintain comfort. Program start and stop times precisely so the AC runs only when needed. Use sleep mode for gradual temperature shifts that prevent overcooling at night. If the AC doesn't respond, first recheck batteries and ensure nothing blocks the IR receiver. Reboot the unit by turning its mains off for 10 seconds if needed. If errors persist, note any display codes and consult service, because fault codes speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.